IT stocks are in focus today. Also with a news item coming in that US-based IT and consulting giant Accenture has reported strong numbers for Q1 of FY25, surpassing street estimates. In fact, the US-listed shares of Infosys Limited and Wipro also ended with gains of up to 4%. So let's start with the IT pack, TCS, to begin with. How do you see the trade setup for TCS?
I think TCS, we have seen some slight profit booking from the level of 4,500 mark, but then directionally, I believe the TCS is looking good. So sooner or later, the TCS from the monthly time frame, I think 4,800 can be seen. This is a directional view. On the way down, 4,200 would be the maximum correction as of now.
Okay.
So this correction may go towards those points, but then directionally we are positive, and then 4,800 is what we should be looking for the TCS.
4,800 levels for TCS. Let's shift focus now to Infosys. Again, a similar macroeconomic environment, a similar environment, not just in India, but even in the US. How do you see Infosys stocks placed for trade today, Brajesh?
In feed today specific slight profit booking, maybe some sell-off is there, but then again we are watching from the weekly time frame. From the technical perspective, there is a bullish flag kind of a moment, and which talks of another 400 points rally on the Infosys. So we are quite optimistic, and then I believe that this rally should be there. As a sector, we believe this IT should do good, so we are positive.
Okay, so would the same sentiment hold true even for Wipro? Are we talking about, again, it is the same environment, but in terms of Wipro's client base versus TCS and Infosys, how do you see Wipro placed for trade?
See, Wipro has been a laggard. So Wipro, maybe with the overall IT, it may move, but then on its own, I don't believe Wipro has this trend. 320 is the mark where again the call writers are active from the derivatives point of view. So it would be a slow mover. So on its own, there is no strength in the Wipro. Only because the sector is moving, there can be some momentum. But if I need to take a call on the Wipro, I would avoid.